Welcome to Avora, extraordinary living and jaw-dropping views in the heart of Port Imperial.
Welcome to Unit 309, one bedroom plus den, your spacious condo that feels like home.
This 1152 square foot residence offers the perfect setup for modern living. You will love the flow from the open concept kitchen to the spacious living area. Let's talk style. This home is designed with sophistication in mind. The kitchen is equipped with premium appliances, sleek stone countertops to the rich wood detailing. Every element has been thoughtfully selected to create a warm and refined atmosphere. The expansive bathroom is beautifully designed with double vanity combining style and functionality for a touch of everyday luxury. But here is the real showstopper, an expansive terrace that stretches nearly the entire length of your home. Imagine sipping your morning coffee while taking in the iconic New York City skyline. At Avora, residents enjoy a host of incredible amenities designed to make every day feel like a getaway. There is an outdoor pool with grills, a gym, and a lounge where you can unwind and connect. Avora is one of the newest and most delicious French restaurants. When it's time to head into the city, the New York Waterway is just right outside your doorstep. This isn't just a home, it is a front row seat to one of the most iconic views in the world.